Are you a teenager looking for ways to make some extra cash while also gaining valuable skills and experience? Starting a side hustle can be a great way to do just that. Not only will you be earning extra money, but you'll also be learning valuable skills that can help you in your future career. In this video, we're going to be discussing 7 side hustle ideas that you can start today. Each of these side hustle opportunities are great options for teenagers, and with a little bit of effort and determination, you can turn them into a profitable business. So sit back, relax, maybe get out some paper and pencil, and let's get started on your journey to making some extra cash as a teen. First on our list is lawn care and landscaping. If you have a lawnmower and some basic landscaping tools, you can offer your services to neighbors and friends. Not only will you be able to make some extra cash, but you'll also be learning some valuable skills in lawn maintenance and landscaping. Now, to get started, you can offer services such as mowing, trimming, edging, and pruning to keep lawns looking neat and tidy. Additionally, you can offer services like leaf removal in the fall or snow shoveling in the winter to earn even more money. As your business grows, you can consider investing in more advanced equipment like a leaf blower, maybe a hedge trimmer, and even a mulcher. Additionally, you can offer services such as fertilizer application, aeration, and seeding to expand your business, but some of those do take some extra learning or even special certifications in order to do so. One way to market your business is to create flyers or brochures and distribute them in your neighborhood or post them on local community bulletin boards, things like Facebook as well. Because you're technically not a professional, you can most likely undercut professional lawn services and charge less, making your customers happy and your services more appealing. You should definitely try this first side hustle. Next on our list is dog walking or pet sitting. Do you love animals? Why not turn that passion into a profitable side hustle by offering dog walking or pet sitting services to busy pet owners? To get started, you can offer services such as, daily walks, feeding, and even just playing with the pets. One thing you want to do is to make sure you do get permission from your parents, and you need to follow any local regulations. Before starting, you may want to take some basic training on how to handle and walk dogs, as well as how to care for them. You can also create a website or social media page to showcase your services and attract potential clients. If you love animals, this might be the perfect side hustle for you. Third on our list of the best side hustles for teens is to start tutoring. Now, if you excel in a particular subject, consider offering tutoring services to your peers or to younger students. Not only will you be making some extra cash, but you'll also be helping others while honing your own skills. You can offer tutoring in subjects like math, science, English, even history. And you can find clients by reaching out to local schools or through online tutoring platforms. In addition to that, you can create a brochure or maybe even a website to showcase your skills and services, which can help you attract more clients. Tutoring online is also a very much growing business, so you may have to buy a Zoom package, but the return on investment could be well worth it. Fourth on our list is freelance writing or graphic design. If you have a knack for writing or design, you can offer your services to local businesses or even online clients. You could create a portfolio of your work to showcase the potential clients and use freelance job boards or websites to find work. You can offer services such as blog writing, article writing, or designing logos and brochures. Creating a website or social media page to showcase your work and skills can help you attract more clients. I know if I was a teen at this point, I would be interested in doing this. Fifth on the list is babysitting. Now, parents are always in need of a responsible babysitter, so this can be a great option for teenagers. Not only will you be making some extra cash, but you'll also be gaining valuable experience in childcare. Just make sure to get certified in CPR and first aid. You can find clients in a variety of ways, but you might want to find them by reaching out to local parents, maybe even your own parents' friends, or by posting an ad to an online platform such as care.com. As a parent ourselves, we are always looking for a babysitter, so this could definitely be a great side hustle for you. Sixth on our list is to sell handmade crafts or goods. If you have a talent for crafting, consider selling your creations online or at a local market or even a craft fair. This can be a great way to turn your hobby into a profitable side hustle. You can sell items such as jewelry, clothing, home decor, or even your own artwork. One way to get started is to create an online store on platforms such as Etsy or Amazon Handmade. You can also participate in local markets and craft fairs to sell your items in person. Also, you can reach out to local boutiques and shops to see if they could be interested in carrying your homemade items in their store as well. It's definitely worth a shot. Seventh on our list is to offer photography or videography services. If you have a passion for photography or videography, you could offer your services to local businesses or individuals. You could create a portfolio of your work to showcase to potential clients and use social media or local classifieds to find additional work. You can offer services such as, event photography, portrait photography, maybe even videography for small businesses or individuals. Before starting though, you may want to invest in a good camera and any other necessary equipment and take some basic photography or videography classes. You can also create a website or social media page to showcase your work and attract potential clients. There's a huge need for people who can edit videos, especially on YouTube or other social media platforms, so that could be a way that you could get your foot in the door as well. Starting side hustles takes time and definitely a lot of effort, but the rewards can be well worth it. Not only will you have the opportunity to make some extra money, but you'll also gain valuable skills and experience that can help you in your future career. So why wait? Get started now. I wish I did more when I was younger. There's no better time than now. Start exploring your options and find a side hustle that works for you. I know you may be busy with sports or maybe you have other extracurriculars that you're doing, so you want to find something that works for your schedule and your time. After all, you're only young once, so you don't want to overbook yourself. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on entrepreneurship and personal finance. We're constantly coming up with new and exciting content, exciting I hope, to help you on your journey to financial freedom. Don't forget to put your knowledge into action and start your side hustle today. If you have some other side hustle ideas, let me know in the comments below. And if you would like me to do a video on anything specific, please also let me know in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.